Hello students, good morning to all of you. How are you? I hope you are fine. Today in conversation we learn question answer about our country. What is the name of your country? India is a country. Which is the capital of India? New Delhi is the capital of India. What is the name of your state? Punjab is my state. Which is the capital of Punjab? Chandigarh is the capital of Punjab. What is the name of your district? Gurdaspur is a district. Good students, learn this question answer about our country. Thank you. Have a good day.